I am so passionate about RFL. My kids are passionate, even I am passionate because first of all, I am a technology man. I like to keep myself updated with the latest technologies. And robotics is the future. You cannot live without robotics. In the next 5 years, you'll see robots everywhere. And the way RFL teaches kids, they let kids do their stuff. They will coach the kid and then they leave the kid. So he is supposed to do it on their own. I have seen other classes, other coaching classes in competitions. They are prompting their kids, they are helping them code, which I have not seen in RFL. And I really appreciate that. Because that's the way the kids learn. Otherwise, it's like spoon feeding. The only thing RFL is so good, my son is so happy over here that even my daughter, who's like 4 years younger to him, has joined RFL. She's inclined towards it, but more so because my son is so much into it and he likes coming here so much. And even my daughter's input is that, she enjoys coming here. She misses when she cannot go to RFL. That's how good they are.